Today we are going to start session number 2 of chapter number 15, probability. So this is the last session of this chapter, and from the next class we will start revision from chapter number 1. Okay, so let us complete the left out question. We have completed up to question number 7. Now this is question number 8. The distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. This question we have already completed in statistics chapter. Okay, the same question is given here, and we have to find the probability that an engineer lives less than 7 kilometers from her place of work, more than or equal to 7 kilometers from her place of work, within half kilometer from her place of work. Okay, so let us start. So first total number of engineers is 40. Now the number of engineers who live less than 7 kilometer will count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number of engineers who live less than 7 kilometers from her place of work is equals to 9. So what is the required probability?
9 upon 40.
Very good. 9 upon 40. Okay. Now the number of engineers who live more than or equal to 7 kilometers. So we'll start from the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. No need to count. Why? Because the number of engineers who live less than is 9. So greater than or equals to 7 means 40 minus 9. How many?
31.
31. Very good. Okay, so number of engineers who live more than or equal to 7 kilometers from the place of work is equals to 31. So what is the required probability?
31 upon 40.
Right, 31 upon 40. Very good. Now the last one is that then find the probability that the number of the engineer who live within half kilometer. So there is no half kilometer is there, within half kilometer is there. So that is an impossible event, and what is the probability?
0 upon 40.
0 upon 40, that is 0. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll move towards question number 11. 11 bags of wheat flour, each marked 5 kg, actually contained the following weights of flour in kg. उसमें 5 kg मार्क है, बट एक्चुअली जब हम लोग मेजर किए तो we got these numbers. So find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg of flours. So total number of bags of wheat first we have to write, that is 11. Now the number of bags having more than 5 kg of flour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the required probability?
7 upon 11.
7 upon 11. Very good. Okay. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. Now the question number 12. A study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million, that is ppm, of a certain city. The data obtained for 30 days, this is the total frequency, is as follows. This question we have already completed in statistics chapter, and here once again we have to form a table, frequency distribution table, and using that table we have to find this probability of the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the interval 0.12 to 0.16 on any of these days. Okay, so सबसे पहले हम लोग frequency distribution table फिर से बना लेते हैं. So these are the numbers. Now I'm going to make one blank table, right? Starting from 0.00 to 0.04. इसमें सबसे बड़ा number जो है वो 0.22 है. So I will write the last class as 0.20 to 0.22. 2, 4. Okay, so now we'll count from count for the first class 0.00 to 0.04. That means 0.00 is included, but 0.04 is not included. So we'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anything is missing?
No, sir.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll write here 4. Okay, next one is 0.04 to 0.08. 0.04 is included, 0.08 is not included. So we'll start from first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Anything is missing? Check.
No, sir.
No.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll write 9 here. Okay, next one is 0.08 to 0.12. 0.08 is included, 0.12 is not included. So we'll start from the first row. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm getting 9. Anything is missing?
No,
No.
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9. Next one 0.12 to 0.16. 0.12 is included, 0.16 is not included. So we'll start from the first one. Nothing is there. Second, no. Third, 1, 2. Only 2 is there. So we got 2. And the next one is 0.16 to 0.20. 0.16 is included, 0.20 is not included. So first row only one number is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are getting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is only 2. 0.20, 0.22. जो बच गया है. So we have completed the frequency distribution table, right? Okay. So now the question was that क्वेश्चन क्या था 0.12 से 0.16 का प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? What is the probability for that? We have to find the probability for this interval.
Sir, 1 by 15.
It is 2, na? So required probability is, first of all we have to write the steps. Total number of days is 30. And number of days when concentration of sulfur dioxide is in the interval 0.12 to 0.16 is 2. So therefore the required probability is 2 by 30. So final answer is
1 upon 15.
right, 1 upon 15. Very good. Okay. So now we are moving towards the last question of the exercise, that is question number 13. This is also a repeated question of statistics chapter, but in that we have constructed a frequency distribution table. Here also we have to construct, and using that table we have to find the probability. Okay, so let us start with the frequency distribution table. एक blank table बना लेते हैं. So A group कितना count करो? How many A groups are there? 1,
9.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we'll write tally mark first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Now B group, count fast.
5.
6, sir.
6.
5.
दो नंबर बोल दिए. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are getting 6 1. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now O group.
Sir. 12.
How many?
12, sir.
12, right, 12, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the last one, AV group?
3.
Sir, 3.
3, right. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now we have to find the table. We have to find the probability for that a student of this class selected at random has a blood group AB. So what is the total number of students?
30.
And the number of students having who have blood group AB?
3.
3. So the required probability is 3 upon
Upon 30.
30. So final answer?
1 upon 10.
1 upon 10. So this is the final answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, as I told you in the previous session, we will solve some class 10th question. Okay. So let us start with the question number 8. This is in class 10th also only one exercise is there. So this is 8th question. So a bag contains 3 red balls, 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is red and not red? So first step we have to write the total number of balls. What is the total number of balls?
8.
Right. So total number of balls is number of red balls plus number of black balls, that is 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay. And what is P of red? Probability of red ball.
3 by 8.
Okay. Actually, probability of red ball is number of red ball upon total number of balls. That is 3 by 8. You can write directly the answer without writing this step. Okay. केवल समझाने के लिए ये. Otherwise, you can write this also. Second, how many balls are not red?
5 by 8.
5.
So यहाँ पे केवल 2 ही कलर है, एक रेड और एक ब्लैक. What is the meaning of not red? Black.
Black.
So that is why I wrote here black. Okay, कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पे डाउट पूछ सकते हैं कि सर ने ब्लैक क्यों लिखा है जबकि यहाँ पे नॉट रेड लिखा हुआ है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 ही कलर है, रेड और नॉट रेड. मीन्स नॉट रेड मीन्स ब्लैक. So number of black balls upon total number of balls, that is 5 by 8. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move towards question number 9. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, and 4 green marbles. Okay, so one marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white, not green? ओके, सो अब यहाँ पे नॉट ग्रीन में हम लोग कोई कलर नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 कलर है. आई कांट राइट रेड, आई कांट राइट व्हाइट. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप?
Total number.
Yes, very good. Total number of marbles. What is the total number of marbles?
17 marbles.
Right, 5 plus
17 marbles.
8 plus 14, that is 17 marbles. Right. So now we'll start with probability for red marble. So P of red marble. The formula is number of red marble upon total number of marbles. So what is the answer?
5 upon 7.
25.
Very good. 5 upon 7. Now next is P of white marbles. That is number of white marble upon total number of marbles. So what is the final answer?
8 upon
8 by
Very
7.
good. 8 upon 70. Now P of not green marbles. So number of marbles not green upon total number of marbles. So how many marbles are not green here?
13.
13.
13 by
5
17.
plus 8. That is 13 upon 17. So this is the final answer. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we will move towards question number 10. A piggy bank जो गुल्लक जो होता है जिसमें पैसा जमा करते हैं बच्चे, that is piggy bank contains 150 paise coins, 50 1 rupee coins, and 20 rupees 2 coins, and 10 rupees 5 coins are there. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin will be 50 paise coin, will not be rupees 5 coin? So first step,
Total number of
Total
coins.
number
right?
of
Total number of
coins.
coins. So total number of coins कितना आ रहा देखो?
180.
Right, very good. 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10 is 180. Now we'll start with P probability for 50 paise coin. How many 50 paise coins are there?
100.
Right,
100.
so P of 50 paise coin is equals to number of 50 paise coins upon total number of coins. So what is the answer?
100 upon 180.
Right, 100 upon
5 by 6.
180. So और simplify करो.
5 by 9.
5
Very
by
good.
6.
5 upon 9. So this is the final answer. Now P of not rupees 5 coin. So how many coins are not rupees 5?
80.
See, 10 are rupees 5 coins out
So
of
170.
170, right? So answer, what is the probability?
170 upon 180.
Right, 170 upon 180. So इसको भी simplify करेंगे. So how much you will get if you simplify?
17 by 80.
17 upon
17 upon 18. Right. So this is the final answer. Okay. Now we'll move towards question number 11. Gopi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? So what is the first step?
total
Total.
Total number of fishes.
Yes, total number of fish in the tank. What is the total number?
13.
13.
Right,
30.
very good, 13. So the total, we have to find the probability for male fish. So what is the total number of male fish?
5.
5.
5.
5 by 8.
So what is the probability?
5
5
upon
by
5 by 30.
5 by
Right, 5
by
upon 13. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards question number 12. Question number 12 is very interesting, very good question. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to the rest pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See figure number 15.8. So this is the number given in the NCERT. And these are equally likely outcomes. I already explained in the previous session what is equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point out at 8, an odd number, a number greater than 2, a number less than 9? So how many total number of possible outcomes here?
8.
8. Very
8.
good. And how many number 8 is there?
1.
1. Right.
One,
So
sir.
total number of favorable events, that is 8, is 1. So what is the probability of pointing at 8?
1 upon
1
1 by
by
8.
8.
Very good. 1 upon 8. Now second, how many odd numbers are there?
4.
4. That is 1, 3, 5 and 7. So what is the probability?
4
1
upon
by 2.
4 by
4
8.
upon 8. If you simplify, you will
1
get
by
1
2.
by 2.
1 by 2.
So this is the final answer. Okay. Next, we have to find for number greater than 2. How many numbers are greater than 2?
6.
6.
6. Right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So what is the probability of getting number greater than 2?
6 upon
6
8.
by 8.
Right. 6 upon 8. Oh, ये mistake हो गया यहाँ पर. This is P of number greater than, एक मिनट, number greater than 2. ऐसा लिख देते हैं. Right. 6 upon 8, if you simplify, you will get 3 by
3 by
3 upon
4.
4.
Right. And the last is number less than 9. How many numbers are less than 9?
8.
8.
All
8.
numbers. All numbers. So this is an example of sure event. So the probability is 8 by 8. That is equals to
1.
1.
1.
right. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
we'll move towards the next question. Question number 13. A die is thrown once find the probability of getting a prime number, number lying between 2 and 6, an odd number. So how many total number of possible outcomes?
6.
6. Right. Now first prime number. How many prime numbers are there?
3,
3.
कौन से?
2, 3, 5.
Very good.
5.
2, 3 and 5. So what is the probability of getting prime number?
3 upon 6.
3 by 6. Right. So if you simplify,
1
1
by
up.
2.
1 upon
1 by 2.
So this is the final answer. Okay. Number lying between 2 and 6. How many numbers are lying between 2 and 6?
3.
3, 4 and 5. So what is the probability of getting number between 2 and 6?
3 upon 6.
3 upon 6.
1 by 2.
Yes, 1 by 2. Fine. Very good. Next one, the third bit. An odd number. How many odd numbers are there?
3.
3. 1,
3.
3 and 5. So what is the probability of getting an odd number?
3
3
upon
upon
3 by 6.
Right.
1 upon
3 upon 6, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards question number 16. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. If it is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective, one pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So first you have to write what is the data given, number of defective pens, that is 12, and number of good pens 132. So what is the total number of pens here?
144.
Very good, 144. So we have to find the probability for good one, and good pens is 132. So what is the probability of getting good pen?
132 by 140.
132 upon
Very good,
144.
132 by 144. Simplify, final answer. 11 upon 12. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
sir.
Right. Now we are moving towards question number 17. A lot of 20 bulbs contains 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? So first of all, how many defective bulbs are there?
4.
4. So how many good bulbs will be there?
20.
16.
Out of 20, 4 is defective.
16.
16. Right. So that is our first step. And total number of balls is 20 already given. So what is the probability of getting defective bulb?
4 upon 20.
4 by
Right.
20.
Very good. 4 upon 20. So if you simplify, you will get
1
1
upon
upon 5. Okay. Next, second bit. Suppose the bulb drawn in 1 is not defective, means good one, and is not replaced. वापिस नहीं रखें. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that the bulb is not defective?
19.
No.
15.
Probability you have to find. So
15 upon 19.
if the bulb is not replaced, what will be the total number of bulbs left out? 19. Right? When a defective bulb is not being replaced, we are left with 19 bulbs. And how many good bulbs are there?
15.
15. Because one good bulb has not been replaced. So that means the required probability is
15 upon 19.
very good, 15 upon 19. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards one more very good question. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears 2-digit numbers. Perfect square number. A number divisible by 5. So how many total discs are there? 90. And all discs are numbered from 1 to 90. Now how many two-digit numbers are there?
81.
81.
Right, very good, 81. So what is the required probability of getting two-digit number?
81 upon 90.
Very good, 81 upon 90. If you simplify, you will get
9
9
upon
by
10.
10. So this is the final answer. Okay, how many perfect square numbers are there? Perfect square numbers. 1, 4,
8.
9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81.
9, sir.
9.
9.
Right. So the required probability of getting a perfect square number is 9
9 by
upon 90.
90.
Final?
1 upon 10.
Very good. 1 upon 10. Any doubt in this second bit?
No, sir.
Right. Now the third one is number divisible by 5. How many number divisible by 5 from 1 to 90? How many numbers divisible by 5 from 1 to 90?
Sir, 17.
Sir, 18.
18. Right. 18 is the correct
Sir,
answer.
18.
18. See, if you count from 5 onward up to 90, you will get total number divisible by 5 is 18. So what is the required probability?
18 upon 90.
18
18
upon
by
90.
90.
That is equals to 1 upon 5. This is the final answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards one more question, 19th question. After this, the last question I will do. A child has a die whose 6 faces show the letters as given below: A, B, C, D, E, A. A die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A? First of all, total number of faces.
6.
6.
Right. And how many faces A is there?
2.
2.
2. So what is the
2 by
probability?
6.
2 upon
2 by
6.
6.
Yes,
6.
2 upon 6. That is 1 upon 3.
1 by 3.
Okay. How many faces with D letter?
1.
1.
1.
1 by 6.
Yes, the probability is 1 upon 6. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards the last question of today's session. That is question number 21. A lot consists 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective and others are good. Noori will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it? She will buy only when it is good. Okay. What is the probability that she will not buy when it is defective? When it is defective, she will not buy. So first step you have to write total number of ball pens. What is the total number of ball pens?
154.
144. Right. How many numbers of pens are defective?
20.
20. So how many good pens are there?
120.
124.
Very good. 124. 144 minus 20. So let us start with the first bit. She will buy if the pen is good. Okay. So what is the probability that she will buy?
124 upon
124 by 144.
Very good. 124 upon 144. Now if you simplify, what you will get? Divided by 4. 31 by 36. Okay. Now second one, what is the probability that she will not buy the pen?
20.
Probability.
20 upon 144.
Very good. 20 upon 144. Now if you simplify, what you will get? Divided by 4.
5 upon
Right.
36.
5 upon 36. So this is the final answer of this question. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so we have solved many questions from class 10th also. So now we are moving towards the last section of today's session, that is assignment question. So 5 questions are there, and I will post today through Google Classroom this assignment questions. You have to complete and submit through Google Classroom only. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.